Welcome back to Old Volks TV. It's super early in the morning. It's like 6:30 in the morning right now. And we're up here in the Northern Territories. We're going to go do a sneak attack inspection up at Milo's place. You remember Milo? We heard that he got this new Vanagon, and he's been putting in a lot of work trying to make that thing super sweet. And then he's got that squareback that we've seen a couple times, but I think we're gonna head over to his place and take a bunch of pictures and hang out, and maybe wake up some of the boys and hang out with the guys up there. So here we go on another adventure, this time up into the Northern Territories of Texas. We're like deep in the north too. It's crazy. Drove all night. So we got our terrible gas station coffee, we got a donut, and we got the address plugged into the navigation, and we're going really fast so we can get there, maybe catch up doing something. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna sneak up on him. We're in his neighborhood. We're on his street, I think. This neighborhood's kind of confusing because it always tries to take us to the back of his house, and I don't want to go to the back. I want to go to the front. Oh, I see all his junk in the driveway. Ah, there he is.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, buddy?
Made the drive.
Show me your junk.
Show me my junk.
Give me a beer.
Give you a beer? We can do it.
It's like
it's never
8 o'clock.
too early, right?
Ah,
That definitely sounds like an OVP thing to do. Bring me a cold one.
here's the square. She pretty. We're gonna get a better look at that one in a little bit. Check that out. What is that?
That is a 1980 Vanagon Westphalia. That's my newest baby. You know, my go have fun and off-roading camper, and kind of a little bit of bougie class. You know, added a little bit more space, and so me and Heather can go out and have a good time and actually be able to fit versus the old panel.
It looks fast.
It is fast. It's got a 2.2 liter Subi motor, so it's got a Subi swap, which is sweet, and it'll get up and scoot down the highway. So I totally dig that.
Yeah, that's cool. Cool-ish.
Haven't even had it a month yet, but I'm just going out and slamming the upgrades on it. You know, whatever I can do, little things here and there.
I was gonna say, it looks a lot tougher than that other beige Westy Vanagon that we hang out with. Sorry, Alice. And this is Luna.
That's correct.
Sweet. You've already camped in it, huh? You haven't even had that long.
That's right. Officially, last weekend, Thomas and I went out with family and stuff and camped for the winter. Went out in the Brazos and just stayed cool in the river, and the other time stayed cool in this thing with the AC blasting it. I probably was a solid 66 at night, maybe in the high 70s during the day. So it works out pretty good with the air conditioning setup.
Jeez, he's got all the tricks. Swivel seats and everything.
Yeah.
Damn.
2-side swivel seats, later seats. So it's got the dual armrest that's on there.
They're cool. Go Westy. Brackets.
Yeah, 8x8 awning, updated brackets, 2K diesel heater mounted in there, 100 amp, system running on it.
Look how thin those fog lights are. And those bumpers.
And you can definitely see going down the trail with them bad boys.
Oh, I bet.
They're super bright.
It's pretty cool. We're gonna take a little quick look at this one, and then we're gonna go put that squareback somewhere pretty and take some pictures for the magazine. Because why not, right? The craziest looking Type 4 motor I've ever seen.
Yeah, it runs very well.
Alright, we looked at all his toys at his driveway. That new Vanagon is pretty freaking cool, man. Just took kind of like a plain Jane one. They had a Subaru conversion already, but basically just all the stock stuff, and he's upgraded it with all the little bits and pieces that you get from, you know, Go Westy and Wagons West, I guess, or whoever makes Vanagon stuff. I don't know. I'm not a Vanagon people, but he's got all the cool little tricks on there, man. He's got the diesel heater, he's got the AC bracket. That thing is like built for camping. And he picked up that little Apache trailer to put all his stuff in so you don't get crowded inside. It's awesome, man. It's a neat little setup. I can't wait to see it camping here pretty quick at some of these bigger shows. So now we're just taking the squareback down to the downtown area, try and get some photos for the mag before it gets too spicy down there. It's gonna get hot and crowded because it's a neat little town, so try and do that quick, get back before everybody wakes up. Happy birthday, wife. Working on her birthday, like a sneaky photo shoot. But hopefully we get back before they all wake up and we can go have a breakfast like as if I was never gone, even though I'm an hour away from where they are. So let's go take a little ride with the squareback and get some photos. We're getting everything lined up for the shot here. Kick-ass spot, man. Weatherford Battery and Electric. It's like an old AC Delco store. Perfect. You see, we got the shots. This is a cool little squareback that he picked up. How long you had this? Like a year?
No, 2 now.
2 years now? Yeah. He's done his little few tricks to it, but not as many as the Vanagon. I think he likes the Vanagon better.
No.
Car's got dealer installed AC, dealer installed roof rack, custom low backs for a 68. Clean sunroof car, man. Sunroof, crankback hard sunroof. Like modern conveniences. Of course, fog lights. It's cute.
It's a runner.
It's a runner.
It's a runner for sure.
All right, we're gonna do a little photo shoot real quick for the mag, and then we'll do something else. we got a good little shoot there. We had a little fun. It's getting late. I got to get back to the birthday brunch for
And
the
it's
wife.
friggin' hot.
It's starting to get hot. He picked a sunny spot, which is good for photos, but terrible for standing around. So we're gonna pack it up. That was good. What do we say at the end of our videos?
Oh man, I don't even know anymore.
Nobody watches my videos. Hit the
We
links.
all watch your videos.
Hit the links down below. Buy a shirt. Hit that subscribe button.
It's real easy.
Like it. Comment.
And lastly, you know, thanks for watching.
He got it. He got it. Thanks for watching, gang. We'll see you next week.